Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful granny square called the Blooming Granny Square. To make this, I did it with solid color. I am going to demonstrate with multicolor baby cake iron yarn, and for this you can use several colors. Round after round you can change the color and it will give a beautiful look. To begin with, chain 4 and slip stitch to the first chain and join with a slip stitch, not a knot. Chain 1, this does not count as a stitch, and into this ring make 8 single crochets. This is the first one. You may mark it with a locking stitch marker so that you don't get confused with the chain 1. Two, 3, 4. I'll complete the 8 stitches and get back to you. I have placed the 8 single crochets here. Now remove the stitch marker, slip stitch and join to the very first stitch here. Now make 5 double crochets in the same stitch, or chain 3 as the first one, and 4 more double crochets into the same stitch. So we're going to make a popcorn. One, two, three, 4 done. The 5th one. Now pull up this loop a little bit. Insert the hook from front in the 3rd loop. That is the 3rd chain for this popcorn alone. So you can take a thinner hook. It is easy to grab the loop and grab this loop. Change over to your original hook. This is only for this particular chain 1. Again in the next, make 5 double crochets. So every SC you're going to make 5 double crochets and make a popcorn. So remove the hook from the loop. So insert your hook into this first and pick up this loop and bring it in front. Sorry. So this popcorn is made. Chain 1. Again make a popcorn in the next and place 1 popcorn each in each of the next 6 SCs. I shall meet you at the end of this row. This round, sorry. Now I've completed the 8 popcorns, chain 1. Now slip stitch and join to the very first popcorn behind. Slip stitch to the next chain space and make 3 DCs, chain 1, 3 DCs. Start with a chain 3 and 2 DCs. This is the first half corner made. Chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, in the next 3 double crochets. Chain 1, 3 double crochets, all in the same chain. chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, the next corner, 3 doubles, chain 1, 3 doubles, chain 1, 3 doubles in the next, chain 1, the next corner, 3 double, chain 1, 3 double, sorry, chain 1, 3 doubles in the next, chain 1, complete the first corner by placing 3 doubles, sorry, yeah, 3 doubles, so you need to bring the stitch to the center, so chain, instead of chaining 1 and slip stitching, make a single crochet in the very first third chain of the turning chain. Pick up this loop and next under this loop, so you come to the center of this chain 1 space here. Now chain 3, 2 doubles, so first half corner made, chain 1, 3 doubles and next chain 1 space, chain 1, 3 doubles and next chain 1 space, chain 1, make the next corner. In this corner we have 3 doubles, chain 1, 3 doubles. So continue this stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you at the end of this round. We have come to the end of this round here. The last corner I have made chain 1 and I am going to slip stitch. So for slip stitching, I am going to pull up this loop a little bit, insert the hook from the very first third chain of the 3 chain that we did from behind. This picking up is little dicey. It's slipping off my hook. Yeah, and pull this yarn behind. And make a knot and fasten off. So this won't even be visible. So here we go, the blooming granny square. See how beautiful it looks. And you can make any number of rounds by placing this 5 DC popcorn at regular intervals and one particular rounds, and you can go on making it to the size that you require. The bigger, whatever size you require, you can make accordingly. So this popcorns can be placed in between the 3 DC sets. Okay, that is what I have done in this sample, what I did. So this is the center one, and here I placed my popcorns for the next round. And then for the next round you can make 2-3 rounds with the normal granny square stitches and again have popcorns, and you can make it as per your design and wish. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you like this pattern. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video, but there is a request. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you get the notification as and when we upload our videos every day. Okay, do like and subscribe, do like and share the videos too. Have a great day friends. I shall meet you in the next video.